chemicals used in wastewater treatment is becoming a rising concern. Across many industrial sectors, chemicals are used to treat wastewater before effluent disposal. The treatments involve using chemicals that are harmful to our environment and ourselves. Organizations spend large sums of money to afford these chemicals. The larger the amount of water treated, the higher the cost. What we do not see is the possible transmission of toxic contaminants to humans from the agricultural use of chemically treated wastewater, or from disposing them to rivers. The question lingers unanswered. Where do we go from here? This has been Channel 1 News reporting live from planet Earth.
We bring technological leaps specifically to the water and the wastewater management industries. If you look at any of the industries, they use a lot of water and they generate a lot of wastewater. They use chemicals to treat the wastewater. We bring a new technology. They use electricity to treat their wastewater.
It's a technology that has existed for some time, but
this technology, the principle, had a scalability issue.
We believe that we have technology to be able to scale it up. This is where others have failed.
We solve that technical issues, scale such a technology in a cost-effective manner and in an environmentally friendly manner.
In summary, Hydroleap is about making water treatment clean, easy to use, and cheaper.
This is Hydroleap, and this is what we do. At Hydroleap, we are bringing a simple solution to a big problems. And these big problems can be different from one client to another one.
When the idea comes in, we actually sit down as a team to discuss if this is a feasible solution.
Our technical team, they start working on it. They design the process. We propose the solution to the clients. After the approval, we bring it back. Our sourcing team, our supply chain, they start working with the items and the individuals that they need to supply.
So once that is done, I look at what are the equipment that we need to buy and whether we can meet the timeline that is proposed by the client. Because different components come from different areas, different suppliers, we've got to make sure that all this gels in with what we're going to give the client at the end.
And our technical team and our engineering team, they start working on the solution, programming, building. After we build the whole solution, we start testing it. And after the testing, we do for the clients at the site. We are reimagining the wastewater treatment, and that type of mentality can be implemented even in our own process. We always try to reimagine, we always try to think about how we can improve what we already have. The technology is the backbone of it, but everything that Hydroleap is the people.
Most of the people here are subject matter experts in their own area. It's a very tech-driven company and it's very ambitious. I knew that there was a path that they have charted for themselves, which is different from other startups. And I knew that this was a solid organization. We expect everybody that comes in to help us make sure that we get better every single day. We have a very flat hierarchy. Everybody is open to sharing information with one another, and we expect everybody to do that from the day one that you come here. We want you to be able to share your ideas, critique what we do, and make sure that we get better. So that's where we're different from other startups, where there's a good idea, you come in and you just support the mission, but not here.
If you're looking for a job from 9 to 5 and you don't really want to think out of the box, Hydroleap is not your place. You're looking for people that they are interested in process rather than the task. They want to be involved in the development, to contributing to something which is good for the environment. Meanwhile, we are building a sustainable business. I'm Mo, CEO and founder of Hydroleap. I manage day-to-day operation and management of the company.
I'm Kumar. I'm the head of operations at Hydroleap here. We are looking for talents in engineering, programming, marketing, and business development. If you fit the bill and you're up for the challenge, contact us.